Today we are going to study our fifth chapter, that is oscillation. Before this we study the linear simple harmonic motion. In linear simple harmonic motion, force is always directed towards mean position and its magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement. Therefore, we get the formula F is equal to minus kx. Here force is directly proportional to displacement. Magnitude of force is directly proportional to displacement. From Newton's second law, we have the relation F is equal to mass into acceleration. Comparing these two equations, we get ma is equal to minus kx. For SHM, we know that the acceleration is equal to d2x by dt square and velocity is equal to dx by dt. Substituting acceleration in this equation, we get m d2x by dt square is equal to minus kx. Therefore, m d2x by dt square plus kx is equal to 0. Dividing both side by m, we get d2x by dt square is equal to d plus k by m x is equal to 0. In this equation, substitute k by m is equal to omega square, where omega is angular frequency of linear SHM. Therefore, we get equation d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of linear SHM. Now we have to find the differential equation of acceleration, velocity and displacement. Using this differential equation, d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. From this equation, we get d2x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x, and we know that a is equal to d2x by dt square. Therefore, this equation become a is equal to minus omega square x. This is the expression for acceleration of linear SHM, linear simple harmonic motion. We know that acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Therefore, we get dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. Here, multiplying and dividing by dx, we get dv by dx into dx by dt is equal to minus omega square x. Okay, here we know that dx by dt is equal to velocity, therefore dv by dx into v is equal to minus omega square x. Taking this dx here, we get v dv is equal to minus omega square x dx. Taking integration on both sides, v dv is equal to minus omega square x dx. Here, integration of this v dv is equal to v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square derivative of x, integration of x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c, where c is constant of integration. V square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c. First we have to find the value of this c, which is constant of integration. To find this value, we have to use boundary condition. In this boundary condition, we know that when displacement of velocity is maximum, displacement of linear SHM is maximum, velocity is 0. That means if x is equal to plus minus a is displacement, velocity is equal to 0. Therefore, this equation is 0 is equal to minus omega square a square by 2 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus omega square a square divided by, c is equal to omega square a square divided by 2. Using this value in this equation, velocity v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus this omega square a square by 2. Therefore, v square is equal to minus v square is equal to omega square in bracket a square minus x square. Therefore, v is equal to, taking square root on both sides, we get plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. This is the expression for velocity of linear SHM. Now we have to find the equation for displacement of linear SHM. For this we use this equation. We have phi is equal to dx by dt. Using this, we get dx by dt is equal to, taking magnitude of this, omega under root a square minus x square. Separating these two variables, dx by a square minus x square is equal to omega into dt. Okay, taking integration on both sides, we get integration dx by is equal to omega into dt. Now, taking integration here, integration 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx is standard formula for sine inverse of x upon a, which is equal to omega, as it is integration of dt is t plus phi, where phi is integration constant. Therefore sine inverse of x upon a is equal to omega t plus phi. Simplifying above equation, x upon a is equal to sine of omega t plus phi. Therefore x is equal to, here a is divider, we can take here a sine omega t plus phi, and this is the expression for displacement of linear SHM. Here we see the equation of acceleration, equation of velocity, and this is the equation of displacement.